What happens if it's 1 a.m. and you still can't sleep? Hello everyone, welcome back to my unboxing channel. Today we have the latest series just launched on 14th of November, the Monsters 1 a.m. series. It's been quite a while since Labubu launched the figurine series, and I actually have the wacky mug and I've yet to open it, so please stay tuned for that soon. For this series itself, it has a total of 10 figurines, including the secret, which I really want. It even has sound and music, so I'm hoping that this series do contain the secret. I think I say that for every case that I'm gonna box.
Okay, I finally removed the plastic wrapping. I don't know about you guys, but 1 a.m. is like way past my bedtime. I normally sleep between 10 to 12, so I consider quite pretty early for me. Because I think 1 to 3 a.m. is like the best time to sleep because your body will be, in its recovery mode. So for this series, the narrative is that what would the monsters do if they cannot fall asleep? And I think there's a lot of late night activities that they indulge in because they are unable to sleep. So let's unbox the first one to see what little mischief the Labubu will be up to. I like that this box has this little clock symbol here as the test strip. I think it's really adorable. So once again, there's a total of 10 figures in this series, including the secret. My favorite would be Scary Time, this one, and Crawling Time, because I think they look super cute. And it's great that this series itself, all the figures are flocked, so can't wait to see how it looks like. This box is really heavy. There's some slight movement. Is it a secret? Hopefully so. Okay, so for the secret itself, if you really want it, it's not gonna have much movement at all, and it's middle weight. It's not the heaviest, not the lightest, just middle weight. This feels really heavy though. So let's see. Okay, not a secret, but a pretty cute one. This is Labubu just chilling on his sofa, on his couch rather. It's so cute that his sock is like half worn, and he's listening to the headphones, listening to whatever music that probably will bring him to sleep. Just love the flock feeling here. It's so cute and fuzzy. Yes, of course it does. It comes with his little cassette tape player. This is like really retro. I mean, obviously we don't have this anymore. I actually wish that it's magnetic, because this kind of small accessories or parts, they tend to be easily misplaced. It would be nice if it's magnetic though. And here we have music time. Okay, let's move on to our second box. Feels a bit lighter, no movement sideways. There seems to be slight movement when I shake it up and down. I gotta say, I love the wrapper. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is adorable one. This is Labubu Sleepwalking. I love his little head with a little star behind. Do you know that he has knife teeth? Yeah, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 9 teeth. Okay, I believe I will fix him this way. There you go. Labubu just sleepwalking. Do any of you sleepwalk in your dreams? And this is adventure time. Moving on to our third box. Slight movement vertically. Feels heavy though. Probably one of the heavier ones. Let's see which one it will be. Oh, it's Labubu reading his book. Let's remove this foam wrap. I love his little yellow slippers. It's like his bathroom slippers. And he's sitting on a sofa. And I love his little specs here. Let's see what he's reading. Okay, I can't take it out. But it seems that he's reading his book upside down. Probably reading some comics. Okay, looks like that. Can you see? Love that his yellow towel is stripped here with his pillow. It's really very nice and smooth to touch. And this is reading time. I don't know about you guys, but I guess reading a book is probably one of the most effective ways to get me to feel sleepy. Okay, now let's move on to our fourth box. Ooh, this feels very full and heavy. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, this is one of my favorite ones. It actually reminds me of a sushi. Don't you think so? It's like a little puppy blue sushi. I love the little eyes here. Can you move? Oh yes, the eyes here are kind of movable. Oh, he looks so adorable. Just lying there. And this is crawling time. Okay, moving on to our fifth box. Oh, lots of movement. Feels a bit heavy and there's quite a bit of movement. So let's see which one it shall be. Ah, this is my favorite one because I love the color so much. I love this light yellow beige and he's dressed out like a ghost. Look at this. And the special thing about this figurine is that this part here glows in the dark. So let me try that out in a bit. And this is scary time. I love how his little feet picks out from his cloak here. Okay, now let's move on to our sixth box. We are almost halfway through. This feels really light and seems like one of the smaller figurines. If I were to guess, probably Sleepless time? Let's see. Let's see if I'm right. Yes, I'm right. So this is the cover model. Oh, she looks so cute with her like cowl-like pattern pajamas with colors in her hair. It's so adorable. And she looks really sleepy. Probably way past her bedtime. And she comes with this little accessory. It is Thai Coco. I mean, it's like a little soft toy plushie that has a skull here. And I'm not too sure if you follow the law, but Thai Coco, the name of this skeleton-like looking figurine here, it's actually her boyfriend. Yep, Labubu has a boyfriend. Yeah, and his name is Taikoko. So I think she's just holding on to the little soft toy here. It's like her soother, I guess. And this is Sleepless time. Okay, since we are more than halfway through, I decided to swap to this display so it's easier to unbox and yet admire the figurines behind. Okay, next one. This one is really light also. Let's see. I'm guessing it's relax time. Now, let's see. Oh, I was wrong. I know which one this is. This is absolutely my favorite activity to do, regardless of the time. Can you see this Labubu just on his phone? If you can spot from the side, it's actually a reflective mirror here. Yeah. Don't know whether he's admiring himself or just mindlessly scrolling the phone, which I'm sure many of us are guilty of. Okay, he comes in this little shark-like sleeping bag because there's a little zip here. And once again, the eyes are movable for the shark. And we just slot him in like that. Really adorable. I think this is probably one of the most relatable ones to us. Just mindlessly scrolling the phone till you fall asleep. And this is phone time. The next one. Feels quite light as well. I'm guessing it's relax time. It should be. I hope. And I'm right. So this is Labubu once again with his sleeping cap. But unlike the other one, it does not have a star behind, just a white bubble. And him just holding his, or rather hugging his pink pillow. Love his little slippers. Here is like a dark kind of slipper. And sitting on the potty. Is he trying to do a potty? He's like half asleep with his eyes half closed. And this is relax time. But actually, I don't know how this is relaxing when you're trying to take a dump, even when you're like super sleepy. Oh, I just realized that his ears have some markings. It's like part of the patterns here. Interesting. Okay, down to our last two boxes here. This feels light, this feels heavy. So let's open the heavier one first. I'm guessing it could be sweet dream time. Yeah, or hugging time. Not too sure. It's either one. Let's see which one is the heavier one. Okay, so this is the heavier one with Labubu just falling asleep on his little cushy pillow. I love the bright orangey color, but somehow if the pillow is a different color, I think it will stand out more in terms of the contrast of colors. And this sleeping position Totally reminds me of my little one, my little daughter. Yeah, she's 4. And yeah, she really sleeps like that. Totally like that. So it's so adorable. Yep. Oh, I think he has an accessory. Okay, almost missed this little one out. I think it's like his or like her little soother. This little cloth here. Just stick it behind. So he is holding on to this little soother, which is just like a little cloth, while she falls asleep deeply. Oh, love his little eyebrows here too. Seems that there's a slight, I'm not too sure this is intentional or it's supposed to be a bit scraped here. And this is sweet dream time. Labubu looks like she's having a really sweet dream. I just want to caution you guys because when I was fixing this little accessory to her hand, his hand came up, it broke. I think I used too much strength. So just really be careful. Thankfully, I can just stuff it back in. Yeah, but I think it's quite fragile in that sense, so do not exert too much force like me. Okay, we are down to our last box for this series and I'm missing this one, Hugging Time. Labubu with her Taikoko pillow. So let's see. I highly doubt it's the secret, but you never know. But it doesn't seem like one because for the secret, as mentioned, it's like filled. You can't, there's totally no movement at all when you shake from all sides. So if you're secret hunting, just bear in mind. And yes, it's Labubu with her Taikoko Boster. Oh, a Boster is so cute. So do any of you sleep with a Boster? For me, I definitely need my Boster in order to sleep well. Okay, a material for the Taikoko Boster is a little bit squishy. It's a bit softer material, so you can kind of press on him. Oh, she looks so blissful, hugging her Boster so tightly. I love the color as well. This purple color is really quite up my alley. And we have Hugging Time. Taikoko's expression somehow looks very shy, embarrassed, and a bit uncomfortable. Maybe Labubu is hugging him too tightly. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I really do hope you can subscribe to my channel as I try my best to upload the latest Pot Mud releases once they launch. Hopefully you can give this video a like and subscribe, so I'll see you in my next unboxing, which will be Zisiga the Winter of Gifts that was also launched today. See you in the next one. Bye!